Are you new to hiking? Here are some tips to start hiking the Leave No Trace way.
Whether heading out for a walk in your city, a local park, or a bigger outdoor area,
know before you go.
Adequate trip planning and preparation can help you accomplish trip goals safely and enjoyably while simultaneously minimizing your impacts on the natural world.
Poor planning can result in damage to natural and cultural resources and can put yourself or others at risk.
Good planning can increase self-confidence and opportunities for learning more about nature while on the trail.
Here are a few elements to consider when planning your hike.
Identify your goals, skills, and abilities, and those of anyone else who may be joining you.
Learn about the area you plan to hike in, either through maps, literature, or land managers when applicable.
And make sure to bring your map and compass with you. There may not be cell service in the place you are visiting.
Choose equipment and clothing that is functional and comfortable.
Get an idea of what the terrain will be like. Keep an eye on the weather forecast.
And make sure to pack extra layers so that you're prepared for any weather.
Make sure to bring plenty of water so that you stay hydrated and healthy on the trail.
Now you're ready to start hiking the Leave No Trace way.